This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.
Good day, stock watchers, and welcome to the Daily Stock Report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm James Christopher, filling in for Cathy Rankin, and for this Friday, June 22nd, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as some of the top movers to look out for today. So let's get into some of those top movers and shakers in the Quality Stocks watch list. Today's report is brought to us by QuoteMedia Incorporated. QuoteMedia is a leading data provider of financial stock market data, market news feeds, and related financial software solutions to financial service companies, online brokerages, clearing firms, banks, and public corporations. Interact Holding Group Incorporated announced late last month that it has signed a new contract with Utility.net in a multi-phased effort to implement and operate a network operations center under a master services agreement that was originally signed in October 2006 between the two organizations. The company also announced that the quarterly financials for the first quarter of 2007, those are periods January 1st to March 31st, the company has posted revenues of $1,053,000 as compared to almost $500,000 for the same period in 2006. This reflects a net increase in revenues of 125%. The increase was primarily due to the acquisition of UTSI International, which took place in May of 2006. Core International shares have seen a drop since May, when the stock was charting in the 51 to 65 cent range, but saw a nice bounce yesterday and today. Core International Limited has been short on press releases lately, with the last announcement coming just last May. The company announced that they are encouraged by recent discoveries and activity in the Wawa area. Core stated they are reviewing reports received from both Geoanalytical Laboratories SRC in Saskatoon and SGS Lakefield Research Limited on rock samples taken from their Dog Lake property. The results reported have been very encouraging. Union Dental Holdings Incorporated announced today it has signed a letter of intent to acquire Bellflower Dental for $5 million. Bellflower Dental, at the end of 2006, has revenues of nearly $10 million with an adjusted EBITDA of $521,000. Union Dental has contracts with CWA Local 9400 in Paramount and 9586 in Norwalk to be the only dental network their union will endorse for members to use. Dahona Minerals announced yesterday that the company is reprocessing tailings at its recently acquired Spanish plant. Tailings often contain precious metals that are nearly as valuable as the already processed materials. The company announced that initial results indicate that the tailings contain a minimum of 1.7 grams of gold and as many as 6 grams of silver per ton, which could translate into roughly $37 a ton. Based on current production of 500 tons a day, these tailings could be worth a minimum of $18,500 per day to the company in additional revenues, which equates to about roughly $5.5 million per year. Dahona Minerals really hit the radars this month after the company announced a resource extraction estimate for its 3 mines in the Bella Rica region of southern Ecuador. And that's it for our newsmakers. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest news from small cap to large cap and everything in between by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. Thank you for tuning in. Once again, I'm James Christopher. Have a great day, and we'll see you next week right here on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You got it.